pupunta sa Paralympics.
Yeah, precisely yun ang target natin, we just got confirmation nga na when we talk of Olympians, kasama yung para-athletes dyan, no? So, initially, ilan na bang Olympians natin nag-qualify? 15?
15.
O, 15 sa Olympics, ano lang yun? Sa Olympics. Pero Paralympics natin, meron yan
Apat.
But there are 2 more that will be officially announced, no? So, included lahat yan sila. Kung ilan man yan, ang may include dyan, and by the way, kasama rin dyan yung mga coaches nila. I think that was already dito, di ba? Na ano yun, na there's a percentage dyan. Again, we will firm that up in the meeting later, pero ang aking chismis lang dyan is 75-25. Until that is confirmed, so at least even yung mga coaches nila, these are all the surprises. Hindi nila alam diba? Since this was just the brainchild of chairman, so hindi pa alam ng mga atleta, pero syempre kakalat na yan, o kumalat na yan sa iba. Kayo lahat, i-chismis nyo sa mga athletes yan. Basically, ang amin lang kasi ang concept niyan dito is that, kasi ang nangyari lahat ng Olympians na bibigyan lang pag nanalo and all that. Sabi ni Chairman, kawawa naman yun pag how they will prepare as they go to the Olympics. At least meron sila extra food nila, extra spend sila sa mga panlakad. So yun ang actually kaya tayo gumawa ng ganito.
Prince, aside from LA Tenorio na nag-confirm na sa inyo ng pagsali, meron pa bang ibang Ginebra players na sasali dito sa fundraiser? Will Vin Season be there or other PBA players na papalo?
Alam mo, I'll just be as surprised as you. I'd like to just take it nga, as I mentioned earlier, pagdating kung sino yung mga nandun. Hindi ko alam kasi ang mga nakalagay kung sino mga celebrities ang nag-confirm at kung pupunta. No? Kasi yung iba, baka walk-in na lang yan. So, si Vince was there yesterday sa Lupax. So, I don't know if he will be one of the celebrities that will also go and whether they will pay also to ang akin lang din talaga, these are the people, companies and individuals that go and support. Are what we call ang patrons talaga natin. Kasi nung nalaman nila na, ay, iba para sa atleta, the people that I talk to, hindi lang parang, kulang yung, 50 lang, hindi, bibigyan ko ng 100. So, a company here, so siguro doon na nang i-announce na 2 companies niya ang linagay niya at nag-100,000 yung isang month, nag-commit ng 50. Yung mga ganun ba? So, these are the people that I really take off my hats na tumutulong. No?
Thank you po. Good morning po.
Good morning.
Edwin po ko.
Edwin yan.
Clarification lang po. Kasi yung athletics tsaka swimming, once na walang atletang nag-qualify yan, sa mga qualifying, automatic binibigyan ng 2 slots. Women, di ba? So, apat po yung additional. Para through universality, no? Kasama rin po ba sila dyan?
Alam mo, off my mind, hindi Kasi unang-una, nabigyan na ba? Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Na, o hindi pa.
Wala pang
June 20. Kasi pipiliin din ng NSA kung sino yung padadala nila Pero most probably, pinaka may mataas na world
That's
ranking
correct. Pero I don't know when that will be chosen. Pinipili ba yan a month before or... Kasi ngayon, right after this, hopefully mabigay na natin ito. Parang meron na sila. So, but again, that will be taken up by the yung decision makers on this one, yung PWG natin and the heads and sila ED and all that. No? Pero kung akin lang ngayon, syempre talaga nag-qualify lang. That's just my own personal. Kasi ilan ba sa kanila? Isa na lang yata, Ubiena pumasok na. In terms of universality, isa na lang sa athletics, with girls na lang. Tagdalawa ba yan? I'm not sure. Dalawa sa men, dalawa sa women? One male, one female. Sa male, wala na. Kasi pasok na si Ubiena. Diba?
There may be some who will be hitting that standard.
May posible
May
pumasok.
dalawa.
Papasok, right. Yan, sa we're waiting, yung hurdler natin ng bilang. Papasok yun kasi 31. So, anyway, yun, kasama yun. Kasi magko-qualify. So, siguro until it's been settled, that's the time mabibigyan din. Bibilangin siguro in terms of, sharing yan.
Kung maiba din, yung sa hawak niyo rin po yung IT Games and
Yes.
development po para dun sa ating next leg na...
That's right. That will be Bacolod. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Kailan po ang date and kasi sunod-sunod na po yung ano natin, meron na tayong may Batang Pinoy, meron
Right. Naset
Oo.
ng July eh.
Oh, July.
Second ng July. In fact, we're supposed to be meeting with them already this week, no? Kaya lang masyadong maraming ang events this week, meron tayong course. So really set namin na mag-meeting with the IP heads in Bacolod for next week, I understand. So, or end of June.
Okay.
So that's scheduled for July. End of
Okay.
July yata natin gagawin. In fact, ang amin dyan is it would be either in between Olympics and the Para Games or before the Olympics, before our the Pain Olympics. Diba, Liz? Yun yung ating yun ang tentative natin doon.
Thank you, Kong.
Yes, sir.
Bong Pedralbes.
Basically, just for clarification,
Yes, sir. Po.
since we've been tracking track and field and swimming, actually swimming has two, but so far from Philippine Aqua, which is a little bit disconcerting, we haven't known what competitions either Kayla or Gerald Dash will be
Right.
competing.
Right.
And it's basically a question, but those are the two main swimmers. On the other hand, for athletics, this week and until July 7, there will be about 4 to 5, just to mention them. As you mentioned, Christina Na, Lauren Hoffman, Robin Brown, John Cabang Tolentino, and of this, of course, Eric Ray, that's the fifth one.
Yun ang pagpipilian.
So basically, of these two, based on their current rankings, Lauren Hoffman and John Cabang are the most likely at the moment, but things can change because they still have other competitions.
Right.
Ibig sabihin, may maraming, as many as 5 more may be qualifying. But let's not forget, of course, our John Ray Ubas, who's also competing, although medyo mababa ng konti siya, for 32 slots in the long jump. Kaya, in fairness to the other hopefuls, siguro, just a suggestion,
Yeah.
Kung na once they've been pulled, kasi by July, clear na yan eh. By July 7, athletics, and I think the same goes with swimming. May pool yan, anticipating the other Olympic hopefuls, as you said, and then divvy it up afterwards para at least kung sino pa madadagdag, they'll also have a share. Yun lang. Thank you.
Yeah, well, taken. And we will take that up kasi nga mamaya magkakaroon ng meeting, no? So, yung kung isasali, that, no? But I guess moving regarding that, parang alam mo na, we talked in Bacolod during the ROTC, then right after that, we were trying to get info from swimming kung sino talaga ang mga pero as you said ngayon, hindi pa, so they will still choose, right? Or we are still actually waiting for those that will qualify. So then after that, then we'll take it up na kung sila masasama sa dito, no? That's what you're saying, di ba?
Yeah.
Na kung pwede rin sila, as Edwin nga said, kung sasama yung mga hindi pa na-name. Pero yan, magko-qualify sila. If they qualify at hindi yan yung parang universality, then kasama sila. Oo.
Okay, good morning, Gaperas ulit. Comrades, gusto ko malaman kung ano ang estimated target ng mga paglalaanan ng, of course, yung pondo para dito sa Gold Cup through the support of the sponsors and of course the benefactors. Ano yung estimated target?
Estimate
Oo, target ninyo.
na recipients. Well, we have the Olympians. So
No,
we have 50
magkano yung target?
na amount?
Opo.
I mentioned earlier, Mr. Nelson, na we have at least about 2 to 2.5 cash. So that would be the ballpark figure. Yun ang paghahatian ng ating mga atleta at ng mga kanilang coaches.
And lastly, meron ba kayong mga susunod na invitational Gold Cup kung sakaling magkakaroon, especially meron tayong SEA Games, Asian Games, at iba pa mga competitions na lalaban yung mga competitions. Good morning!
Yeah, we'll take that into account whether we will have another one. Kasi every year lang naman yun.
Right. Thank you!